Today we're going to compare texts. Um, we're going to use Moving the U.S. Mail. It's a piece about the United States Postal Service. This is in your student book, um, page 300. So if you could turn there so you can look at this with me. This is an informational text. It's going to give you factual information about the U.S. mail and how it has changed over time. It's like an online encyclopedia. The text focus is, um, the text focus is a timeline. It's a line that shows the order in which events happen. So let's look at what span of time does this timeline cover on 300 and 301. It looks like we go from 1800s to today. Okay, and let's see what kind of factual information does this timeline have? Well, we have delivery times New York to San Francisco. And we have the Pony Express, how long it took, the Transcontinental Railroad, how long it would take from New York to San Francisco, and today, how long it takes an airplane to deliver mail from New York to San Francisco. So I would like you to read. This is also on page 302. I'd like you to pause the video and read this informational text, Moving the U.S. Mail, and then come back to the video once you have finished reading. Now that you've read this, we're going to look at page 303, and I want you to choose one of these things, one of these connections to complete. We have text to text, text to self, and text to world. Text to text, you're going to think about what it would have been like if Oliver traveled to California by Pony Express, and then compare that. In text to self, you're going to write a letter to Uncle Ray about the adventures you would have if if Oliver visited you. And then the text to world is to use a map to find the places that Oliver visited and to identify the general direction in which he traveled. And then give a brief report to your learning adult about what you have learned. So you're going to complete one of these connections and share it with your learning adult.